Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTSL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes summarizing the price action quite straightforward. So if you say, Clay, look, summarize this for me. This thing was just an absolute pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based on how the price acted today, hence price action. So from a price action perspective, yeah, this thing was a pump and dump. I mean, what is my definition of a pump and dump? Well, a situation where a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So let's quickly kind of just go through all that here. And essentially the price movement and all this started right here when it gapped up. And then after the gap up, it was a gap and run. I mean, in trader lingo, that's what occurred here. So let's go through the definition real quick. Price makes a really nice move. Well, we just established the move started there, and it went all the way up there. I'm thinking we can all agree that was a really nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Considering this all happened in the same exact day, once again, I'm assuming we can all agree this did indeed happen in a short amount of time. And then the final part is the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. So it was all the way up there, and then by the time it closed right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but you look over here, I mean, it's literally right back inside of this area of the chart where it was before the move even started. And that is the epitome of a pump and dump. Now, can another nice move start? Yeah, absolutely. I'm not saying that this thing can ever move nicely again. I'm just saying as far as, this morning's price action was concerned, there is just no true power behind it. And ultimately, when all the dust is settled, it turned out to be a pump and dump. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.